Hello, my name is Jessica Rogers. This is for SPCE 689, Section 811, the Rule Governed Behavior Assignment. Apologize, I'm still sick, so I sound super congested, but I chose prompt B with Quinn and the rule of if he hasn't solved every client issue perfectly, then he's a bad behavior analyst. So part one is the rule governed behavior for this prompt is that Quinn set the rule for himself that he must solve every client issue perfectly in order to be a good behavior analyst. This is an example of a rule governed behavior because he's saying that if blank doesn't happen, then blank happens. It is set by a verbal instruction that Quinn has set for himself, whether it was a private or public verbal rule that he has set for himself, while contingency shaped behavior is learned through experience, and Quinn has not experienced this before, but has set this rule for himself that if it does happen, then he's not a good behavior analyst. Sorry. Part two, these things, the neutral stimuli that from the job of being a behavior analyst, the client feedback, the data collection, and the supervision meetings, all those can inquire the anxiety-inducing functions because of the rule governed behavior that Quinn has set. He has transformed all of the stimuli functions above to become anxiety-inducing by saying that if he cannot solve every client issue perfectly, he's not a good behavior analyst. He put the pressure and anxiety of his daily duties that was undue and thus transformed the stimulus functions into anxiety-inducing. Part three is an example of work-related stimuli that Quinn's private verbal behavior that might mediate a transformation of function in the context of avoidant behavior is data collection. This can transform into an avoidant behavior if Quinn has set the rule that was discussed above. If he doesn't see the data, then he will not know if he is solving the client's issue perfectly, thus putting off any anxiety-inducing transformative stimuli effects mentioned above. The anxiety and stress over being a good behavior analyst is maintaining Quinn's behavior of responding to this rule. It can also be a fear of failure that is maintaining this rule, or even the client's successes that maintain this rule. If the client is doing well and he is solving the client's issues, then he is maintaining his rule that he's a good behavior analyst by solving the client's issues. And that's it.